Hi everybody, I had a question about getting documents started for your annotated bibliography for Ed Code 305, and as you are all future educators, you know if one person has a question, probably multiple people have a question. So I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to get a document started in Google Docs. So you'll start by going to that little grid, probably in your emails where most students access it, and you're going to click on Drive. I like to have my stuff all together and organized. So you might want to have a folder for EdCode 305, or maybe you want a technology folder. And to do that, you just go to plus and then do a new folder. Just a few seconds ago, I created a folder for how-to videos just so I can walk you through in this clean space. So to start a document, I'm going to go to the plus sign again, and I'm going to click Google Docs. Excuse the construction going on outside of my house right now. I'm going to title my document. Now this is going to be the same doc I keep throughout the semester, and it is my annotated bibliography. It's where I'm going to take my notes. It's for EdCode 305, so I'm going to put that in here, and then I'm also going to put my last name, just so it's all in there. I'm getting all of your documents, so it's helpful for me to see who it's from. You can also put your name right inside the document. Now, some people like to have it in this portrait mode, and some people like the landscape mode. You get to that by going to page setup, and here you can see I can choose either version. And then I'm going to go to insert, and I'm going to go to table. And to get myself started, I'm going to give maybe 6 rows. Now, if I want to add more rows, I can always highlight and then add to it. So on the left, I'm going to put APA citation, and that's for my resource. And then on the right, I'm going to put my notes. Now here is where, for example, your white paper on PAL that you're going to be reading is written by Jones. I'm going to start, I'm making this up, I'm going to start doing my APA citation, right? However that goes with your actual information. And on this side, I'm going to take my notes. And I like things to be organized, so I'm going to use a bulleted format. And I am going to put the most important stuff that I want to remember about that particular piece. So with the white paper, one of the big pieces there is, if teaching were telling, we'd all be so smart, we wouldn't know what to do. And I might put like a little who said it and why it's in the paper. And then maybe I want to talk about Schramm's concept of signal and noise, and I'm going to explain that. Okay, and that way, as I progress through the course, I can always revisit this annotated bibliography and go, who said that? Or I need to support my curricular decisions, so I need to do that with research. Let me go back to my annotated bibliography. So this is helpful as you go through your teaching career. You can make it pretty if you want. Some people like to do that, and some people like to keep it plain. So maybe you want to have a blue header there, and then maybe your next resource that you do to kind of keep them a little separate, you want to shade that in. So I've had people kind of do every other row is a different shade, so that's fine too. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. One more thing I forgot, when you're ready to share, you'll go up here to the share button, and you want to make sure that anyone can see this. Not anyone in Winthrop University, anyone with the link. And so right here, make sure it says anyone, not anyone at Winthrop University, because you all have accounts tied to Google. Faculty have accounts tied to Outlook. So this is my personal Gmail, but be sure that it's anyone with a link. And you want that people can view it, done, and you can copy the link. All right, that's it. Have a great day.